Welcome to the installation of water that doesn't leak to High-Low Little Mo. So we had the city water inlet here from the beginning, but alas, we discovered it was leaking inside behind it. We discovered we needed to get a new hose bib, and it was cheap enough on Amazon, I think like $15, and we just screw out the old one and screw in the new one and done, right? Wrong. Even though they were very similar, the big issue was the PEX connecting it, as you will hear in the live footage that I recorded. So enjoy hearing our voices and perplexity as we try to figure this out. And John's fancy propping device here. And this is the hole, yeah, for the water on the other side. Man, it's close to that thing. That looks like the transfer switch.
Okay. All right, well, it's a little
That
hot.
does from 120 to 12. So now on the other side, as he holds it and screws it, I'm gonna put this part on. Line it up with those screw holes from before. There we go. He's tightening it. So that water squirt now.
It starts squirting out a lot.
Yeah, start spraying everywhere. Maybe what's wrong with that converter box? Why do I have that thing so close to there? It's so dumb. And all these wires down here.
Is it on there correctly?
We might just need to replace this PEX, like he said. The connection from here to there. Just use the whole deal, the rigmarole. I really don't know what this extra pipe is doing here. I mean, I imagine maybe it's to let the system breathe, but I don't know. That's how. See what I did that? Because whenever you hook this thing up, it's like it starts spitting up everywhere. I've never had one with this much plumbing to be fixed, honestly. I had to install the plumbing in Peppermint Patty, and the other two fancies also. Their rudimentary plumbing was just basically an inlet and an outlet, so I know that much, but that's not a lot. So here we are. Okay, confessions time. I think I cut the pipe a little too short, so I cut another one about 1 inch longer, because I forgot for the push-in connector on the other end you have to allow another inch because it pushes in 1 inch. So I think it's gonna be really fun trying to get it off, but in the meantime I thought I'd try to get this on and make sure at least it fits down here like it should. You see it? Okay, so we're gonna push this in here. Like so. Push it in, and then this is the compression fitting. All right. You know the way they build these things, light. So you gotta go tight. And go as tight as you can. And that's the fitting there on that end. So you can see that. Let me zoom in. That's how we have it on this end. Now, I'm gonna take it out on the other end. And now it's long enough for sure to get in there. If I push this back a little bit, I think it's gonna be okay over here. All right, I'm probably gonna tighten up these fittings once I know I have it right with these pliers. Because now we have two pipes, the one I attached already, and the one that's coming to us right there. So So after getting help to remove the PEX from the other one, I was able to make it fit. So now it's time to screw everything in and caulk it up to make sure no water gets in. Turn the water on out here. Let's see if there's no longer water spraying on the other side. Yay! Well, looks good. No drips.